Rightio, on the road again after a brief stop. I thought the bike felt a bit weird. It turns out I had a flat tyre. A bloody hole through a brand new tyre. I must have just, I don't know, got a sharp rock or something. Well, at least I know the plugs I've been carrying around with me for the last 4 years work. I had my doubts. Anyway, today we're heading for Mount Terrible via Hope Track. We've got I'm on the V-Strom, we've got Rob on the DRZ400, and we've got 3 KTM690 Enduros with me. I seem to be riding with a lot of those KTM Enduros lately. Very nice bike. Bike feels different now. I've got air pressure in the back tyre. It's the first time I've ever had a flat like that. I've had plenty of screws and nails in tyres that it holds the pressure enough to get home and take it to the bike shop and get plugged. Oh shit, this is Big River Road. We've just come up the Reefton Spur, then Big River Road. We're going to take Hope Track, which I believe can be very slippery when it's wet, but we've had a bit of rain through the week, but yesterday it was dry and windy, so hopefully it's dried out alright. Righto, this is Hope Track. Looks like it's been graded fairly recently. Still getting a bit of scrubbing on that front tyre, but nowhere near as bad. Oh, I've got no one behind me. Got a bit of that dust settle. Oh well. Oh, behind me. A little bit rocky. Just keeps going up. Oh, don't go over that side. Oh mate, I'm glad I took some layers off, it was hard work. I think this truck's only a couple of k's, then we got Mount Terrible Track, which is still going to be pretty hard, I think. Till the KTMs are gone. Don't blame them. They wouldn't want us to be stuck behind me either. Oh shit, here they are. Oh, straight over the big rock. never quite know what the other side of those rollovers is going to look like. That is Hope Track done. Okay. So it looks like this track splits off into two a lot. I think it just splits off and rejoins all the time. It's way drier than I thought. The Hope Track was graded. We go this way this time, going up. Oh, Jesus. Well, that got me by surprise. Oh, fucking hell, bike's falling apart today. Oh, oh, you're fucking kidding me. Oh, fuck, yep, look at that, snapped off too. Fucking hell. Yeah, that's about as good as it's going to get. I don't normally have this many issues on rides. Oh yeah, let's try again. See what else I can break. Oh wow. Oh, that's just come out of the bloody things. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm going to do that. Let's go around that. Back over. I don't think these are for off-road somehow, but I better save some in case I need more on the way home. Which way am I going here? Up or fucking left, hopefully. That looks pretty nasty up the top. Oop. Oh, that's Donald track there. Yeah, righto. Here we are at Mount Terrible. Awesome.
After leaving Mount Terrible and dodging the oncoming four-wheel drives, we headed down Newman's track, which is quite steep but a lot smoother than the other tracks. Then we stopped off for lunch at Eildon before taking on Bullfight Road.
Bullfight Road. This is a good fun road. I've done it from the other way before. I haven't done it in this direction, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like. It was pretty wet when I did it last time. All the tracks we've done so far today have been dry, so we'll see how it goes. So this work I've done to the V-Strom, taken some weight off it. It's pretty much, it feels better, but it's highlighted other shortcomings of the bike. And I mean shortcomings literally, the lack of suspension travel and ground clearance. I do plan on doing some work to the suspension. Just see how we go. The poor old bike's getting old, so I'm just, I don't know what I should do with it at the moment. I've certainly got no regrets with the makeover so far, with the work I've done to it. Gave me something to do during lockdown. This is getting steep. I think there's some logging up here, that's why these tracks are so smooth at this part. There we go, looks like we're into the good bit now. As soon as you get past the logging part, that's got, oh shit, try and keep these cameras clean. Yeah, it is wet. Gotta make sure no one else is coming past me. One of the guys said, I doubt it'll be wet. Oh, I've got news for you, I'm going in the rut. Oh, fucking hell, my bag's come off again. Right, yeah, let's try again. What a pain in the ass. Oh, that's deep. Maybe it's not that bad being in this track. I was thinking I should be over there, but there's a big stick in it. I'll move. Righto. Oh, bloody hell, this one looks pretty bad too. Oh, it stinks. This one. Yeah, see how it goes. Not much else I can do.